Presenting the most affordable Toyota yet the Toyota Ativ 1.5 hybrid electric VTEL CVT. Let's dive into the highlights of this unit.
Delivers 160 millimeters of ground clearance. Stylish LED headlamps give the Toyota Ativ a modern edge, combining elegance with advanced lighting performance. Toyota Safety Sense integrates cutting-edge systems pre-collision, auto high beam, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control, bringing intelligent safety to the Ativ HEV. Hybrid engine, efficient, responsive, reliable. Fuel consumption, average 35 kilometers per liter. Ativ interior features, ergonomic seating, advanced infotainment, and optimized cabin space for both driver and passengers. Drive modes: Eco, Normal, Power, EV. Gray metallic, modern and understated, ideal for professionals seeking subtle sophistication. Platinum white pearl, premium and elegant, perfect for those who want a timeless, upscale look. Scarlet say vibrant and youthful, for those who want to stand out with energy and flair.
Thank you for watching.